Black diamonds, especially Carbonado, are unique and rare. Here's a detailed guide to help you identify if a black stone is a real Carbonado diamond. 10. 1. Appearance. Color, usually deep black to dark gray. Texture, opaque, often porous or with a pitted surface. Luster, submetallic to adamantine, diamond-like shine when polished. Inclusions. Unlike clear diamonds, Carbonado has a polycrystalline structure with visible internal cracks and inclusions. 2. Hardness test, Mohs scale 10. Carbonado is extremely hard. It can scratch almost any other material including glass, quartz, steel, tip. Use a simple scratch test on a piece of glass. Carbonado should scratch it easily without damage to itself. 3. Heat resistance test. Real Carbonado can resist high temperatures. Try heating the stone with a lighter for 30 to 60 seconds. A fake may get damaged or emit odor. A real black diamond will remain unchanged. Be cautious when performing this test. Do it only on unmounted stones and with safety in mind. 4. Weight, density. Carbonado is slightly lighter than regular diamonds. Compare the stone's size to a known diamond of the same carat. Carbonado may feel slightly lighter. 5. Conductivity test. Carbonado conducts electricity, unlike most fake stones. Use a diamond tester with thermal and electrical conductivity settings. A positive signal usually means real diamond, Carbonado included. 6. UV light test. Shine a UV light, black light, on the stone. Many Carbonados do not fluoresce, or they may show faint yellow or green. Fakes may glow too brightly or unnaturally. 7. Professional testing. Gemologist lab report, a GIA or IGI certificate, is the best way to verify a real Carbonado. X-ray diffraction. Only real diamonds, including Carbonado, show distinct X-ray patterns. 8. Magnet test for impurities. Some Carbonados have magnetic particles from iron inclusions. A small magnetic pull may be felt. 9. Location and source. Most Carbonado comes from Brazil, Central African Republic. If a seller claims a different source, be cautious. 10. Price and seller credibility. Carbonado is rare and valuable, but not as expensive as colorless diamonds. Be wary of very low prices or sellers without certifications.